Hey y'all, Lisa here with Gunner Fancy Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to do color engraving material test on this 304 stainless steel military pendant. We're going to do it on the XTool F2 Ultra MOPA. You see that sitting right here behind me. So stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Hey guys, we're back. We are going to go ahead and open up XTool Studios. All right, so now you see right here where it says Lisa's MOPA. That is the XTool F2 Ultra MOPA single. And we have a green light, which means it's ready to go. And right below it, you'll see Safety Pro AP2, the air purifier, also a green light, ready to go. The mode, process on flat surface, that's correct. We want to keep it there. If you were doing a tumbler or anything like that, you'd want to go ahead and change it. And for material, right now it currently says unknown material. We know our materials, so we want to click on here. And we're going to be doing the stainless steel military pendant. So we're going to click on that. Now, if it doesn't populate immediately, if it's not something you've used recently, you can come up here to search materials and you can type it in and it'll pull it up for you. So we're going to click on that, and you see here we get this warning that it is reflective and it could reflect back into the laser and damage it. So what we're going to do when we do our auto measure, we're going to go ahead and put it right under the laser for that part. And after that's complete, we'll move it back towards the fan so that it doesn't reflect up and damage our laser while it's doing the laser engraving. So let's go ahead on over there and put this on the laser so we can get the measurements and start working with it. Okay, so we put that right up underneath the laser there, and we are going to come back to XTool Studio, and we're going to click right here to do our auto measure. All right, that has completed. Our image capture was successful. So now we are going to go back over to the laser and just move it back towards the fan so that when we go to do our laser engraving, we don't forget to do that because we sure don't want to damage our lasers. So let's move that back. Okay. Once we move that back, we want to go ahead and take another picture so we have the current position of our object. So there we go. We have it there. So that's good. Okay. So now we have that done. We're going to come over here to the... All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start making our material grid here. So we are going to come here on this little square. We're going to choose the rectangle. We'll come over here and make us just a little rectangle. And then we want to come over here and make sure that everything is correct. So we want to hit color engrave, come down. All right, and on this one, we're going to choose our lines per centimeter of 5,000. And our frequency will be 1,000. All right. So let's just verify everything. It looks like everything's okay. So now we will come over here to our applications. We're going to click on that. Right here, you'll see material test array. That's something I have recently used. If you have not recently used it, you can look under the efficiency tools and you'll find it right here. I will click on that. All right, so we have our X columns. Currently, the parameter is power. We're going to leave that. There are other parameters you can choose right here. Today, we'll stick with power, and we're going to go with a maximum of 15 and a minimum of 10. I know that seems rather low, but we are going to work with that today. I'm choosing those off of a current material test that I have performed yesterday. So in order to get 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, we need to change our column number to 6. And over here we have our Y rows. Our parameter is speed. Once again, we're going to keep it at speed. However, you can change it depending upon the test you're performing. Today we'll stay with speed. And our maximum today will be 800. And our minimum will be 400. And in order to get the 400, 450, 550, so on and so forth, we're going to come over here and change our rows to 9. All right, and that looks good. You just want to double check and make sure everything looks good. You didn't miss anything. All right, so now we're going to go to done. Okay, now you see our box right here. We're going to shrink it up so it fits on that military pendant. It's rather small. There we go. Just want to double check. It looks good. We're going to come over here. We're going to hit our framing button. All right, I'm going to walk over to the laser, make sure everything's framed up. All right. Looks good. What you want to look for is make sure all your blue line is on your object and not coming off of it. We want a laser engrave our object, not the bed underneath. All right, so we can turn our framing off. Okay, everything looks good. So we are going to go to process. Okay. And we will start. Now we'll go to the machine. Because for demonstration purposes, we have to leave the shield up. We have to wear our very nice safety glasses. It's extremely important. We want to protect our eyes. So now that we have those on, we can push our start button. Guys, now that it's finished, let's take a look at it and see how beautiful those colors are. Okay. So let me show you. Got some gorgeous colors on here. So y'all try your own settings, do your own test grids, and see what kind of cool colors you can get. Have fun making cool things. I'll see y'all later.